Hello learners, welcome to today's lesson. Today we are going to look at a Kcse division question in Form 2 Mathematics under a subtopic Translation. And the question reads, a translation maps a point P with coordinates 3, 2 onto P prime, that is the image of P, with coordinates 6, negative 4. Part A of the question, determine the translation vector. We know we can say let the translation vector be T, and this translation vector has coordinates x and y. And we know if you take the object, you add the translation vector, you are going to get the image. In this case now, we know the point, which is our object, and the object P has coordinates 3, 2. We add the translation vector T with coordinates x, y, and this one is going to give us the image, and the image of P, which is P prime, has coordinates 6, negative 4. From here, for us to get the coordinates of the translation vector, we need to take the object to the other side such that we remain with xy, and our xy is going to give us 6 minus 4 minus, if this goes to the other side, it is going to be a minus 3, 2. From here, we know our xy is going to be equal to 6 minus 3, you get 3, and minus 4 minus 2, it's like negative 4 plus negative 2, and this one is going to give us negative 6, and that is the coordinates of the translation vector. Therefore, we can say our T, which is the translation vector, has 3, negative 6 as its coordinates. Going to part B of the question. Part B of the question. Part B of the question reads, a point Q prime, that is the image of Q, with the coordinates 4, 5 is the image of a point Q under the same translation, and already we have our translation vector, which is 3, negative 6. So the question reads, under the same translation, find the coordinates of Q. We know, assuming Q has coordinates xy, and we know our translation vector is 3, negative 6, and we have the image of Q, that is Q prime, and Q prime has coordinates 4, 5. Q prime has coordinates 4, 5, and we know if we take the object Q, which has coordinates xy, we add the translation vector, and our translation vector is 3, negative 6. This one is going to give us the image, and the image is 4, 5. From here, we know if you want to get the coordinates of x, that is x and y, we are going to take the image, we minus the translation vector for us to get the object. In this case, if we take this to the other side, we are going to have 4, 5 minus, we are going to have 3, negative 6, and this one is going to give us 4, 4 minus 3 will give us 1, and 5 minus 6, it is the same as 5 plus 6, which will give us positive 11. In this case now, we can come down and say, therefore, the object Q has coordinates 1, 11, and that is how we do this question.